A client from Canada has ordered 18 units of EA1000F2 outdoor fixed LED display screens with P6.25 pixel pitch. All 18 screens have been mounted on aging racks and are currently undergoing factory aging tests. Each screen goes through over 72 hours of power on aging to ensure long-term stability and reliability. Shipment will be arranged upon completion of all tests. For installation, EA1000F2 features a standard 1000 by 1000 mm cabinet with quick lock latches and positioning pins for fast and precise assembly. Both modules and internal components support front and rear maintenance, making installation and servicing highly convenient, significantly saving labor and time costs. 18 screens are heading to Canada. EagerLED, winning global customer trust with rigorous testing and reliable quality.